Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle, this is Brampton Gardener, and today we have a very exciting unboxing. So, some lovely local artisans here in Brampton that have small businesses did a giveaway for Valentine's Day, and guess who won? Yep. So, I haven't even looked through it. I took a peek because my husband's like, there's a delivery for you, and I peeked and I was like, oh, I know what that is, but I haven't opened it up. I haven't unboxed it yet. So we're going to, here, I'll put it up on my not so lazy Susan. She does a lot of work around here. Okay, so we're gonna open up this lovely box and look, oh my gosh, isn't this pretty? Look at this notebook. Isn't that gorgeous? So this notebook is made by She X Art. I will drop all the links down below, and I will tag them here on YouTube and on Instagram. And they make absolutely beautiful acrylic items. So I'll do a close-up of these, take a nice picture of them. But I'm gonna open this up. There's a lovely little thank you ribbon. I'm loving the packaging. Like, that goes a long way. Oh my goodness. So here's the resin pieces. So here is their business card and a coupon. Woo, very nice. Okay. And these are flowers that have been pressed and then put inside the acrylic. Isn't that amazing? So I first met these ladies at a workshop that they did for Brampton Library at PAMA, which is the local art gallery, and they had done a free resin workshop, and my daughter and I went and we made some really cute keychains, and I'll post some pictures from that event. And then after that I ran into them at the Season's Christmas show at the International Center, and they had a booth there, and she recognized us. We're like, oh hi, how are you? So they had a very nice booth there, and I've been following them on Instagram, and they're really great. So go check them out. Let's see what else is in this lovely little packaging. Ooh, we got some tea. So this is Mahogany Seed is the name of the business, and this is Red Best Tea. So it's an herbal tea blend to support the womb. Very nice. It's got red raspberry, mint, chamomile, and rose. Oh, it smells really nice. Isn't that pretty? And then, oh, this is super cool. There's a free gift, and that is a empty tea bag, which is really cool because I did harvest my own tea blends last year, and I can use the tea bag and make my own tea with my own dried herbs. So last year I dried mint, lemon balm, stevia, lemon verbena, and some basil. So I can use all of those in, so thank you from Mahogany Seed. That's awesome. Okay, and then another little one down here, and oh, that is so pretty. Isn't that a beautiful pen? That will be awesome for jotting notes down in my journal. That is so pretty. I'm gonna open that up. So this beautiful little pen right here is from Curly Diva, and no, it says, "The rest is still unwritten." Isn't that beautiful? And that is a quote from Natasha Bedingfield. So this is from Curly Diva, and I will have those their links listed down below. And I can get ink refills from her as well. That's awesome. And it comes with one. There's one ink refill in the back. Very cool. And then there's another box. It's a box inside a box. Dexter. Dexter, no. And last but not least, this beautiful rose mug. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Oh, that's gonna be fun to have a cup of tea in later. Actually, I have some rose tea. That will be beautiful in this. And this one is from, it didn't say on the box, but it is from a local business called Artisanal. Again, I will drop all the links down below. Go check these wonderful ladies out, and thank you so much.